How to see your Oculus PIN. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. So as for now, there is no feature to see your Oculus PIN. Instead, you can go to Meta Quest application, tap on three lines, go to settings, now tap on reset Meta Quest PIN. Now click on forgot PIN. Now click on request PIN reset. Now go back to your email, open up the mail. Now go to this link and reset your PIN. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.